So now we will understand what is the functionality of the repeat and the tile functions in the NumPy. So guys, basically the repeat function helps you to repeat the elements inside the array based on the repeat factor, and on the other hand the tile function helps you to repeat the entire array based on the repeating factor. So let us understand this with the help of examples in VS Code over here. Simply I'm going to create a new file. In this case we will say repeat and tile.py, that is the Python extension over here. And then first of all we will import the library, that is NumPy, as np over here. Now guys, simply we are going to say array1 it is equal to np.array in this case, and then simply we are going to have three elements, that is 1 2 3 over here. First of all we will understand the functionality of a repeat. So we will say repeat variable it is equal to, simply we will have np followed by dot, and then we will provide the repeat function over here. So as you can see, this is the function that we can use. First of all it takes the first parameter, that is the array over here. We will provide array1 followed by comma, and then how many times we want to repeat. So let us provide the number 3 over here. So what we will do is simply we are going to have the print statement, and then we will say repeat in this case. So let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal. So as you can see, this is the result of repeat. The every element inside the original array is repeated 3 times over here. So the first element is 1, and we have the one element 3 times getting repeated, and then we also have 2 which is again repeated 3 times, and then the next element is 3 which is once again repeated 3 times over here. So let us provide the string as well, that this is a repeat function it is equal to, and simply within the curly braces we have to provide the variable in this case. Now guys, apart from this, let us also provide the tile variable. It is equal to np.tile. In this case we will see what is the difference between repeat and tile over here. So once again we are going to have the first parameter, that is array in this case, followed by comma, and then we have the repeat. So once again we provide the 3 as the repeating factor. So we will provide the print function. We will say tile function it is equal to, and then we will provide the tile variable over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, the tile function it repeats the entire array 3 times over here. So we have 1 2 3 as the original array. So first the 1 2 3 is getting displayed, followed by 1 2 3 once again, and then the third time also it is getting repeated over here. So guys, that is the difference between repeat and tile function. Basically the repeat function helps you in order to repeat individual elements within the array. So the first element is repeated 3 times, followed by the second element, followed by the third element over here. Whereas on the other hand the tile function helps you to repeat the entire array itself. So we have 1 2 3, that is the first occurrence, then we have 1 2 3 second occurrence, and then followed by the third occurrence of the entire array over here. So you can use the repeat and the tile functions based on your project requirements in order to repeat the array elements or the entire array. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.